Time to move on to a different category of questions. In how many ways can I select one or more letters from A, B, C, D, E? Before we proceed, let's have a look at ways I can select one letter from A, B, C, D, E. I can choose either A or B or C or D or E. So I have 5 ways to choose one letter from A, B, C, D, E or 5C1 ways. Next, let's have a look at the number of ways I can choose two letters from A, B, C, D, E. I can choose AB or I can choose BC or DE and so on, basically 5C2 ways. Similarly, for choosing three letters, I can choose ABC, BCD and so on. Finally, for 5 letters, I can only select ABCDE. Of course, I can't select 6 letters from ABCDE as I have only 5 letters to choose from. Now, one way to solve the problem would be to add up all these cases together. That is an inefficient way of solving such problems. A much more direct way is to look at individual letters and look at the choices one faces. Let's look at the letter A first. There are two choices in front of me. I can either select A or not select A. Let's have a look at the letter B. I can either select B or not select B. In fact, this will be true for all the 5 letters A, B, C, D, and D. This being said, let's have a quiz. Can you now figure out the number of ways to select one or more letters from A, B, C, D, E? Is it 2 to the power 5, or 6, or 5 factorial, or 2 to the power 5 minus 1?